Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate my Python 2 project. This is a man-in-the-middle detection program that will basically let you know if you are being attacked somehow by a man-in-the-middle attack. So go ahead and run the program to start off with. I have connected to I'm going to connect to a router that I have at home. Okay, connected. This should be a normal router. It's going to go ahead and find the Wi-Fi BSSID and SSID. It's going to see if I want to view all the old networks that I've ever connected to. I'm going to go ahead and push yes. I've added a dictionary for that. See, there's all the old Wi-Fi networks, and then it's asking me if I would like to check this Wi-Fi networks, even though I have been connected to it before. We'll go ahead and select yes. Alright, the vendor for this BSSID just checks the MAC address against a list of known MAC addresses, and it shows that I have an Eero Inc. Router, and that the router seems safe. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate the fake attacked Wi-Fi. Yes, I've already set up this evil portal right here. This is from my Flipper Zero. Starbucks Wi-Fi. It is not a real Starbucks Wi-Fi. I'm at my house. So I'm going to go ahead and click connect to there. Give that a second to connect. I'll rerun the program. Alright, all the same stuff. See, now it connects to the Starbucks Wi-Fi with the BSSID. Do I want to view all the past networks? No, I'm going to skip that this time. I have actually connected to this before for testing, so it's asking me if I want to scan this network again. Select yes. And it pops up. The vendor for this BSSID is an Espressive Inc., which is the vendor for the Wi-Fi dev board on my Flipper Zero. So it's giving me a little warning here that says the network is probably a Flipper Zero evil portal. So, and that's it. Thank you.